Welcome to 5 key insights gained from successful bathroom renovations. Discover the secrets behind crafting bathrooms that blend beauty and function. Sit tight and enjoy as we explore real renovation experiences, offering invaluable lessons for creating inspiring and practical spaces. Whether you're a homeowner or a designer, these insights are your guide to reimagining bathroom possibilities. Let's dive in. Integrated sinks take center stage in bathroom renovations, seamlessly merging aesthetics and function. Now, we'll explore the porcelain vanities impact can make. Our range of custom-crafted porcelain vanities embodies the perfect union of visual appeal and practicality. Choose a vanity that aligns with your design preferences. These should strike a balance between elegance and usefulness. Next, let's look at the impact hardware can make. Often overlooked, bathroom hardware holds immense influence. Coordinated hardware choices from handles to taps create a cohesive design narrative. Harmonize these elements with your porcelain vanity and fixtures, leaving a lasting impression on anyone who enters. Now, let's explore efficient storage. Efficient storage solutions are key lessons from bathroom renovations. Strategically incorporating shelves, cabinets, and wall alcoves transforms storage into an artistic endeavor. Craft an oasis of organized calm by planning storage meticulously, enhancing your bathroom's functionality. Next, we delve into large format porcelain tiles. Large format porcelain tiles from Argent redefine aesthetics and versatility in bathroom renovations. These tiles transcend conventional dimensions, uniting walls and floors in a unified visual canvas. With fewer grout lines, they create a sense of continuity, making spaces feel larger and more open. Moving on to design harmony, the palette silently narrates your bathroom's ambiance. Insights abound in palette selection. Consider spatial proportions. Subdued tones expand space, while deeper shades add grandeur. Intertwine porcelain vanity, hardware, and porcelain tile colors to mirror your desired atmosphere. In closing, bathroom renovations offer a profound renewal experience. Porcelain vanities combine elegance and utility. Hardware choices leave lasting impacts. Efficient storage is an art form. Large format porcelain tiles redefine aesthetics, and design harmony weaves a seamless narrative. Are you ready to redefine your bathroom? Visit an Argent showroom in New Zealand today. Thanks for watching.